Hello everyone, welcome to the UJVbeauty channel. If this is your first time of seeing me, you are highly welcome. Please kindly subscribe to my channel and be a part of the UJVbeauty family. And for those of you, my family, thank you so much. I appreciate you all. So I went into the streets of Germany to run a test project of my makeup collection. For those of you that don't know, UJV have a makeup collection, and I went to run the foundation test on the women I met on the street. As you all know, we all are Africans. We are all black people, but we have different skin tone. So I tried my product on different women with different skin tone, different color, and different skin type, and it came out looking flawless and wonderful. And they were so happy because a lot of them that live in Germany never knew that we have a product that you know that would actually suit their skin type, their tone, and it was a wonderful project. For you to know more about my product, kindly go follow me on my all my social media platform: TikTok, Instagram, Facebook at UJVbeauty. Go check me out on Google www.ujvbeauty.com so you can see my product. Thank you guys for your love and support. I truly appreciate you all and have a fabulous day. Bye bye for now.